Hi YouTube! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lee. Hello everybody. It's been a while since I have uploaded a video. So in today's video, I will talk to you about my honest review on the Roche Posay Cica Plus B5 Soothing Repairing Balm. I've been using this product for the past few months. This is my honest review, and so by the end of this video, you will know whether you should give this product a try. I thought my CeraVe was perfectly fine, works perfect on my skin. Not until I've done the laser facial, my skin was so dry, and because of the drier weather, I needed something more moisturizing because I start to see pimples popping up because of dryness. I see, the dried skin peeling off my skin. So I needed something that's more moisturizing. So the first thing that caught my eyes is it has 5% panthenol, which is a provitamin B5, which means it is a moisturizer for your skin. It is a humectant that helps to attract water so that it gives you that hydrating, moisturizing effect. It contains 5% of this ingredients. Another ingredients this product contains is the Centella Asiatica. This product is actually being used in a lot of Korean skincare products. I've used this in a lot of soothing, calming products, such as the famous Dr. Jart, the green bottle, the Cica Balm, or the Cica whatever that I forgot what it's called. So it is that particular ingredients being infused or being used in this particular Roche Posay Soothing Repairing Balm. By looking at the ingredients, I can already tell this product would not irritate my skin. It has a soothing, calming effect, and it gives me hydration. So another great thing about this product, it contains shea butter. It's on the 5th of the ingredient list, which is quite higher up. And so I would say that the texture of the product would be slightly thicker, give me that hydrating effect, moisturizing effect. And the second ingredient after water is this. I'm not going to try to read it out loud. I don't know how to read it. So basically this is a synthetic liquid oil. This particular product is more oily, I would say. That gives you that silky finish. And the texture of the product is shinier, so it comes from the oil. So all these ingredients helps to hydrate my skin and really have that lid at the end of my skincare routine. And so I would say that this really helped my skin to keep hydrated after my laser facial. If you have enjoyed what I've shared today, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I will definitely make more videos like this, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.